Mama, you have told about the Rupay insurance card schemes. Can you please throw more light on it?
Yeah. Before going for the insurance scheme, let us understand something about the card itself.
Okay.
See, first of all, when you are giving a card to a person, you should not expose this number and opening date and closing date and these dates. It is a very, very important thing. Okay. All the banks are serviced by 3 companies, namely Visa, Master and Rupay. Only these 3 companies are giving the services to all the banks. Through them only these transactions are going on. These among the 3, Visa and Master are foreign companies. So whatever transactions we are doing, the commission paid by these banks are flowing to foreign companies. So we are losing the foreign exchange also. For that, the Indian financial institutions and banks formed National Payment Corporation of India, NPCI. They are issuing card in the name of Rupay. That is the Rupay card. So whatever we are transaction doing, the commission will be paid to this company, which will be retained in India. So Rupay is an Indian company first. So to popularize them, to give boost for the users, they are introducing an insurance scheme for the card users. So this insurance is not by the government, but by the National Payment Corporation of India. These cards are of 2 types. That you know, one is debit card. That is issued to all the account holders.
Oh, even to the illiterate people?
Yeah, even illiterate people has to be issued this debit card. Some banks are not having the understanding and they are refusing. Another type of card is a credit card. So credit card that we need not to pay the money immediately. So they cannot be issued to all the people. They may be issued to the people like you who are drawing the salary, or the business people, or those who are having some firm income on bank transaction. So these are all 2 types of cards. One is debit card and credit card. Now let us go to the insurance part. This Rupay insurance is also broadly issued to 2 group of customers. One is for the premium people, like you people, those who are drawing salary monthly, or the business people who are having good transaction with the bank. That is called Rupay Premium Insurance. It is given to the premium card holders like Platinum card and Select card. Another insurance is for the very poor people, those who are maintaining just an account with the bank under the scheme Prime Minister Jan Dan Yojana, PMJDY. So now let us see one by one. Now let us take this premium card insurance. Okay. So Rupay is issuing premium card under 2 segments. One is called Platinum cards, that which you are having. Another is one Select card. Select card is somewhat superior to the Platinum card, those who are doing more transactions. Okay. So these 2 are the premium cards. For them, for both debit card and credit card holders, this insurance apply, irrespective whether it is a debit or credit card. Okay. For the Platinum card holders, the insurance coverage is for 2 lakhs. For the Select card holders, the coverage is for 10 lakhs.
So
if you are having a Select card, then you will be having 10 lakhs insurance cover.
How as a customer we will get this card? Like how to get this card?
See, this is under the discretion of the banks. Based on your transaction, your financial capacity, they may choose to issue either Platinum or Select card. But it is better you can ask the manager or the bank to issue that particular card. You may request for a Platinum card, you may request for a Select card If you are eligible, they will be giving.
Okay.
Okay. Then 2 lakhs and 10 lakhs are covered for accidental insurance.
I thought it is only for death, but you have told it will cover for loss of a finger also.
Yeah, many of we people are thinking that accidental insurance means only for death. But this specific insurance for the Rupay card holder is not only for death. Even a small loss in our body, that will be covered under this one.
Okay.
So they can get some compensation for this one. That's what I have told. Even if you lose a small joint here,
Okay.
for that you can get an insurance. If you lost this one, 2% of the insurance amount will be there. That is, if your insurance is for 10 lakhs, you will get 2%. That is means 20,000 rupees now you will be getting. So if you lost your finger, you will get. Like that, each part you will get a compensation. If your loss is one hand, the full hand, then you will get 50%.
Okay.
If the loss is both the hands or both the legs or both the eyes, you will get 100%. That is 10 lakhs, full amount. Under the select card, you will get. Under the platinum card, you will get 2 lakh rupees.
Okay.
So a person need not to die. If there is a total permanent disability of a part, for that they will get claim.
Okay.
So this many people will not know who are eligible.
Okay. Yeah.
That I told it is for platinum and select card. The person should use the card within 30 days of that accident.
Okay.
Suppose the person met with accident today, so the within previous 30 days he must have used that card. This is the first condition.
Okay.
Then the accidental intimation has to be given to the bank, not to the insurance company, to the bank within 90 days of that incident.
Okay.
Suppose if the person is hospitalized,
Yeah.
he was not able to intimate within 90 days, he may intimate after 90 days, but the insurance company will conduct an investigation and satisfy that one.
Okay.
So this is second condition.
Okay.
Third condition, that affected person should submit the claim with all the documents within 60 days of the intimation.
Okay.
Suppose it is intimated today, then within 60 days he has to submit all the required documents to the bank.
Okay. So
What are all the documents you have to submit? That may be a question.
Yeah.
If it is a death, that should be a FIR
yeah.
with the police. Then death certificate, then postmortem report, and his PAN card and his cards, all the things it has to be submitted. If it is permanent disability, then FIR should be there. Then the doctor's discharge certificate when he is discharged from the hospital. Then the certificate for the total disability, to what extent the disableness was there.
Okay.
So these certificates has to be submitted to the bank within 60 days.
Okay.
Once you submit, then the claim will be settled to the nominee or the legal heirs within 10 days.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
that is the important thing.
Okay.
So in many insurance claims, the people has to wait for months together, but here it is within 10 days. Mostly it will be settled.
a person have more than one card, can they get this insurance?
No.
Okay.
Even if we have 3 cards or 4 cards, the claim will be for only 1 card.
Okay. DT for this card is
Yeah,
up to
up to-
26.
Yeah, 26 this card is valid. Okay.
So will I get this insurance till 26?
No, no. This insurance cover is renewed by the company every financial year.
Okay.
So now this insurance, this scheme is up to March 2023.
Okay.
Then they have to renew it. But normally the company is renewing every year.
Okay.
But we don't know whether the next year it will be renewed or not. We have to wait and see. The card expired within this period,
Okay.
March 2023, then you are not eligible.
Okay. So you have told about that PMJE scheme, right? So could you please brief on that?
Yeah. So now we have seen these cards for the premium customers.
Yeah.
Another segment of the customers are there. They are the very mass.
Okay.
So sometimes back the government has initiated a movement
Okay.
to banking facility to all the people in this country. That during that period, crores of accounts were opened under Prime Minister Jan Dan Yojana. So it is a special savings bank account scheme wherein the customer need not to maintain minimum balance.
Okay.
And also they are eligible for some free services.
Okay.
But there is one condition, they should maintain only one account. They should not have multiple accounts. So that is the condition.
Okay.
To that customers, whether they are literate or illiterate, the bank is issuing the card under the Rupay scheme.
Okay.
So that Rupay cards are also eligible for this insurance.
Okay.
But in that also there are two type of things. One, the accounts opened till 28/8/2018.
Okay.
Those cards are called as old cards.
Okay.
And the cards issued after 28/8/2018, those cards are called new cards.
Okay.
For the old cards in the insurance eligibility is 1 lakh rupee.
Okay.
For the new cards, the insurance coverage is for 2 lakh.
Okay.
This is one thing. And in the premium card, there is no age limit.
Okay.
Whatever age they are eligible. But here there is an age limit is there.
Okay.
That is minimum 5 years should be there.
Okay.
That condition is there. Another one difference between the premium card and this is, in the premium card, both debit and credit cards are eligible.
Okay. For the insurance.
Yes, here only debit cards are eligible.
Okay.
So only debit cards are eligible. Another, there the cards should have been used within 30 days.
Okay.
Here, since these are the poor people, so they may not have frequent transactions.
Yeah.
So the time is up to 90 days.
Okay.
So
The
they must
usage of
have,
card.
yeah, they must have used the card 90 days before the incident.
Okay.
At least 90 days before the incident, at least one time they must have used the card.
Okay.
So that is the limitation.
Okay. How about the balances? Like, do we have to give any minimum balance?
Not
For
like
this-
that, no. That no. I told this is a special account. They need not to maintain minimum balance also, and all other terms and conditions apply to that premium card. Like that, if the finger cut 2%, all that things apply to this card also.
Okay.
And the claim procedure also the same. Whatever applies to the premium card, that applies to this PMJD card one also.
Okay. So after submitting the document, then we will receive amount within 10 days of.
It is the same thing.
Okay.
Whatever applies there.
Okay. So now only I came to know that there are three type of card where they are issuing. One is MasterCard, then Visa, then Rupay. And over there, like Rupay is an Indianized card. And we have that insurance scheme for two segment. One is people who are on premium section, and another people is like who are us like common people.
Yes.
Okay. Let's take this information to the mass, and eligible people will get benefited. So let us take this message to common people. PAGUTHUNDU.
Paguthundu.